People believe that bypass surgery is a permanent solution to blocked arteries. Though bypass surgery provides good long-term relief, the primary problem that caused the blocked arteries remains. And the belief that one surgery will completely cure you of all diseases related to blocks is unfair, because people don't understand that there are multiple reasons that caused the block in the first place, and those reasons remain. Most of these reasons: diabetes, hypertension, smoking, aging, genetics, your cholesterol, and all these things can be modified only to some extent, and those effects become more and more prominent as you get older. So the very essence or the crux of making it permanent is to control these factors. And the best part is to not have them at all, but if you have them, control them. Controlling these primary factors makes bypass surgery or angioplasty long term. So that brings us to angioplasty. There are a lot of people who believe that there is some amount of recurrence if you do angioplasty. Again, the same logic. Angioplasty and bypass surgery do the same thing. They open blocked arteries. In fact, in bypass surgery, you don't open anything. You bypass the blocked artery. And there are times when the blocked segment actually gets even more blocked because the blood has stopped flowing through that segment and is flowing through your graft. And grafts get occluded with time. For about almost 8% of patients, the grafts get blocked very early in the first year itself. So it is a little bit of a myth that bypass surgery is permanent solution for all problems, all the blocked problems. It's not. And we see a group of patients who have had surgeries in their late 90s, early 2000s coming up with blocked grafts. The initial block has become worse, and we end up doing angioplasty again. Now you look at the angioplasty arm. Again, early days, the stents were not there. They were just ballooned. So you do angioplasty, the recurrence rates were a little higher. And that gave the initial impression, when you did not have the recent stents, that blocks are going to come back. But from 2005 onwards, we have got some extraordinarily good stents. And these stents prevent blocks from coming back in almost all patients. And when you have such extraordinary stents, it is extremely difficult to have a committed statement saying that angioplasty it will recur. It is actually very, very rare for a patient to come back with a block. And as an interventional cardiologist, and I believe that every patient should have angioplasty as the first choice, however severe the disease. Because your initial result of what you produce during the first procedure is very important. And when you are able to give excellent results with that, the patient does very well. And if you look at scientific data of thousands of patients over 10 years, angioplasty and bypass surgery, no difference. Even for complex diseases. Simple diseases, I don't think there is an argument. Simple, I mean 2 blocks, 1 block, however severe, 90%, 100%, it doesn't matter. 15 years ago, 100% blocks nobody was able to do because we did not have the technology, we did not have the knowledge. Today, we have advanced wires, advanced techniques, advanced catheters. We can cross almost all 100% blocks, and that changes everything. And that is one of the core reasons why more and more patients have shifted from undergoing bypass surgery to angioplasty. For example, if you look at a regular angiogram, 100 patients, 20 patients will have 100% block somewhere. And this 100% block usually decides whether a patient goes for surgery or angioplasty, because most people don't deal with those 100% blocks. So interventional cardiology has evolved now, and me as a specialist in this 100% blocks, which is called a chronic total occlusion, CTO, and managing that CTO successfully has changed the game for at least 50% of the patients who are anyway planned for surgery and have been declared as a surgical candidate. Now we can take them and we can give them angioplasty as a permanent, long-lasting solution.